Jai Hind to all. Welcome back to my IT tutorials. And today I'm going to talk about the season third of your unit 2. And the topic is share and review of a spreadsheet. Basically, this chapter is talking about how to share the Excel book or sheet with the multiple people, how to record the changes that has been done by the multiple users on a particular sheet, and how to again merge that. So objectives for today is basically before allowing anyone to register or anyone to share your seat, you have to register a particular seat under a particular person or with a particular person name. So first and foremost, you have to register for the collaborations. If I want to share my book should be shared first for registered under my name, and then only I can allow that book to shared with the other. Setting up a spreadsheet for sharing, we'll see that how to share the spreadsheet once sheet is already registered for a particular person. Opening a shared document. Now, opening a normal document and opening a shared document is of course different again things. So we'll see once you are opening a shared document what changes you will fill or you will get. Saving a shared spreadsheet, you can share the or you can save the shared document also. Then the recording changes in a spreadsheet. Recording changes spreadsheet means whatever alteration, whatever modification, whatever changes people are doing in your sheet, you will come to know if the recording option is on. And then merging the documents, we'll see once we have a multi-copy of the same sheets and different people are working on it, they are making different changes, and you want to merge all the changes in the original document. So how to do that? And the last is compare the changes, and you can compare the changes also. Okay, whatever the changes has been done, you want to accept it, you want to reject it, you want to reject all, or you want to accept all. So these are the objective for today. Now one by one I'll cover this all topics and I'll share my screen, and I hope you'll enjoy this video, and you'll be able to complete all the practical works after watching this video. So kindly feel free to ask me if there is any query after watching this video. You can write in the comments box in this video, or you can directly again message me through the WhatsApp. So hope this video you will like. Okay to all, I'm going to share my screen now. Visible to you all. And now I'm just starting the OpenOffice first, because under the OpenOffice you have a calculator, you have to start that. So directly go to the OpenOffice. As you can see, OpenOffice 4.1.7, click here and just start the OpenOffice calculator, that is a spreadsheet package of OpenOffice. And once you start the OpenOffice calculator, you will get the screen similar like this. Here, first and foremost, if you want to share this sheet with the multiple people, that is a collaborative approach. If you want to apply, then this sheet are supposed to be registered, and to register this we have to go to the tools, and under the tools there is options. Now at the moment you will click on the tools options, you will get this window, and in under this window we have like a company. You can mention the company name, who is basically again entitled to edit it. Then the first name, as you can see, it's my name because this product is again registered under my name, so it's a my name. And likewise you can street or city or this all you can fill. After filling that this all details, you can just click on OK button. Now your this seat is registered, or this seat that you can share with are registered. Now how to setting up a spreadsheet for sharing. Now if it is required to share, for that you simply go to the again tools menu, and under the tools menu you have a share document. As you can easily get tools and share document, click on the share document. Now moment you'll click on the shared document, it is asking share this spreadsheet other user. You have to tick it because this is only again option that will allow you to share this document. Otherwise it is not again shareable, and just say okay. Now your sheet is shared. It is asking me to save. Suppose my sheet I'm giving as a name, and under document I'm saving, as you can see, it's under PC and my documents. So just click on the save button. After giving the name, you will see this sheet has saved. Now what changes you will see here, if you'll see the title bar of this, as you can see, myseat.ods. This is the name of the file, and under bracket it is written shared. It means now this sheet is already shared. Now if I'll share this sheet with other, simultaneously the people can work on it and I can also work in it, and all the reflections will be visible to me. That's why it's called a shared. So I hope how to share the sheet, that part you have seen. To make any sheet shareable or to just share a sheet in a spreadsheet or calculator under the OpenOffice calculator, you have to first register that sheets, and to register it you have to go to the tools and the options. Under the options you have to fill the particular again credential of the person who are entitled to share it, and then you can again go to the tools and you can say share document. The moment you'll click on the share document, it will ask you to save it, give the proper name, select the place, and then just a dialog box will appear. That check box on the top that is there, just select it. That options is basically talking about you want to share this spreadsheet with other user. Of course yes, you have to say, so select that and say okay. That's all. This is how to share documents, or how to share the Excel sheet or a book in OpenOffice calculator. Now the next topic is how to open a shared document. Definitely once I have a document saved and shared, I can easily open it. Now I just close the calculator, I'm again starting it, and I want to open my original sheet that is shared one. So click on the open, and then it was a my sheet. So just select the file name, I'm going to select it, go to the my means am, and you will see the my sheet. This is my sheet which is a shared one. Just select that my sheet and open it. You are with the my seat. It is asking the spread is shared mode. This allow the multiple user to access and edit. Say okay, and you are in your shared myseat.ods. So this is how to open a shared document. That's the second feature. Of course, some of the features that is a by default feature of the sheet may be disabled once it is a shared, because sharing every features may not work. So that you can must understand the feature that is there directly as an author of a particular document. Once the document is shared again with the multiple people, you may not have the all features sometime is working properly. Now next topic is how to recording the changes in a spreadsheet. Now, to see this, how to record the changes in a spreadsheet, first have some data. Suppose in this sheet, I have a name column, NAME, and there is a class column. This two column I made. I'm making it more bigger so that it will be visible to you, and I'm making it bold also. So I hope name and class is very visible to you. Now under name I'm saying Aman and I'm saying Akash. This is a two name I have written, and under the class I'm saying 10th, and this is suppose ninth class. This data also I'm making little bigger so that easily you will be able to see. Now this data must be visible to you. Now if I want to record the every changes in this seed, then what I have to do? This is what the question is. Now first you have to understand the recording changes in a spreadsheet basically mark each and every changes that you do in the seed with a particular color, so that you may come to know these are the changes done in my original documents. Otherwise, people may not get what changes has been occurred. You can insert a comments also in the changes cell so that you will come to know what was the old value and what is the new value. Now let's see, to record the changes, what we have to do. So under the edit, there is a changes. So just again, open a sheet where you want to make some changes and you want to keep a record of it, and then directly go to the edit menu. So just click on the edit. Under the edit, there is a changes. Now, under the edit, there is a changes, and under the changes, there is a record. So maybe the seat, just let me to save once and then go to the edit and changes. It's not showing the options. It disable. It means it is not allowing me to make some recording or changes in it. So that I'm opening another sheet or another document, you will get that. Just say open and open a particular sheet where you want to make some changes. I'm opening another sheet for you where I'll show you how to make changes in it. So this is a fifth B class, one sheet I'm opening. This is Excel sheet, just open it. See, I'm opening or trying to open another sheet because it hasn't allowed me to make any again recording of the changes. Now here, a beautiful sheet in the front of you. And now I want to, every changes that I'm going to do should be recorded. For that, just go to the edit and click on the changes. And now you are seeing the record option is on. So to record, any changes in the sheet, you have to click on the edit and you have to click on the record. So first click on the record. As a moment you'll click on the record, now you are in the recording mode, or the sheet is completely in the recording mode. Now any changes you want to do, for example this 21.8, I want to make it 31.8. Just I made it and I press enter. As you are seeing, this box color had changed with a red color and a highlighted one. It means there is some changes has been made. If I want to insert a comments, I can write a comment, just go to it and say insert comments, or you can go to the edit and same again change it, under changes you have a comments. Okay, what early it was. Now make some more changes. Suppose this name Devans, I made it Mohan. Another changes I made. You are again seeing the Mohan is again with the red label and it's reflecting that there is a changes has been done. And this is how to record the changes in a sheet. Just to go to the edit and click on the record. So it's reflecting me all the changes done by a user in this sheet. Anytime I can know this changes has been done, or these are the cell where changes has been done. Now adding comments to the change cell. If you want to edit a comments in the change cell, then you just go to the edit, and under the edit there is a change, and under the change there is a again comments options. So you have to go to the edit, change and comments. Now since I haven't selected a cell for inserting a comments, mind it, if I want to insert a comments here, I have to go to the, first I have to select the cell, either this or this where I want to make a comments, and then I have to go to the edit, I have to go to the change, and now comments box or comments option is on. Click on it and you can write, I made it Mohan, it was Devans. This message I have written just for my sake. So once I'll keep the again mouse over on this cell, it will reflect me what changes I made, and it is showing you Pankaj Mishra on 20th 11 2020 at 14:11:38. I met it Mohan, it was a Devans. So clearly it is again visible, or it may be again no easily understood by you what value it was earlier before changing. That is how to insert a comments in a particular cell where some changes has been done. Now if a comments are supposed to be edited, you can do the same. You can go to the edit, select it and go to the edit, again say change and again say comments. These options will allow you to make some changes in it. So comments that you have already inserted, if you want to make some changes in it, you can do again just to select the cell and go to the edit and say changes and say comments. This is how you can insert a comments, how you can make some changes in the same comments, how you can insert the new comments, and how you can record the changes in an Excel sheet. So these are the different again things. Now, if you want to see the changes in a sheet, simply you go to the edit. Now just say okay, because I don't want to make any changes. Go to the edit, say changes, and there is an option called show. If you click on the show, it will basically again show you the details on what particular day editing has been done. Like a 20th is there and 1410 it is showing, and Pankaj Mishra was the author who changed it. And this way you will come to know any changes has been done by a particular user on a particular time or date that you can know. Now, the changes that I have made, my document is not saved or I haven't saved. So it's a temporary nature. I may accept it, I may reject it. Now, to accept and reject the changes that you have done, you just go to the edit and say again change, and there is an options accept or reject. Click on it. Moment you'll click on the accept and reject, you are seeing it is showing you the two changes I made, and author is a Pankaj Mishra. This is a date and what changes I made in the cell D6, and there is another cell, and as you can see C6 is already highlighted. It means there is some change. Now if the first changes I want to make permanent or I want to accept it, so simply you just click on it, and bottom of that you can see accept or accept all or reject all. If I want to accept it, simply say accept, and you have seen that changes has been accepted. If suppose this changes, second changes where I made this, and if you want to reject, you can reject. So this is the way you can either accept or reject, or accept all or reject all the changes made by you in a particular document or a sheet in a spreadsheet. I hope till this it must be very fine. Now this is my document, that is where I made the changes. Some of the changes is there, some of the changes I rejected. Now if this document is supposed to be merged, just think about a situation where a same document has been given to the different people and they are working in a collaborative approach. Some changes has been done by the user 1, user 2, user 3, and you want to merge the all changes in your original document. How you will do that, that I want to show you. Now this is the document where some changes has been made. Now that is permanent or that is accepted or rejected, that's a different thing. Now if I want this again changes should be merged in my original document, for that first and foremost you have to go to the original document, just again open the original document. So you have to go to the file and then you have to say open. And if the document is already opened, you can open the document where you want to merge these original changes. So it was class 5th B. I'm just selecting is class 5th B. So this is the document, just open it. After opening, just go to the edit again, and under the edit there is a change. Under the change there is a merge document. At the moment you'll click on the merge document, it is basically asking me the another file where there is a changes has been done with whom you want to merge it. So you can select the file, same file, original file, like a class 5th B. So I'm opening the 5th B. The moment you will click on it,